Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. First, look at the sign of the elasticity value given in the problem. Since 2.5 is a positive number, it tells us that these two goods move together. When the price of one good rises, consumers buy more of the other good instead. This positive relationship is the classic definition of goods that can replace each other easily. Well done! Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush. Trust given values and check steps for the win.